You can just smell that aroma from this. The ingredients that needs to be toasted in here. In here we've got all the powdered ingredients which has already been obviously a lot of them have been toasted, turned into a powder already, hence why I'm not going to toast them on the fire. Okay guys, gonna do the curry powder. So of course we're gonna start with the coriander. So 1, 2, 3, 4. With the stony we're gonna put 2 star anise, because these ones are little. I'm gonna put 3 in this one. With the ginger, 1.5 tablespoon. Cumin, we're going to do 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to pop it in here, because we're not going to toast this. With the cinnamon stick, I'm going to put a nice big one. With the garlic, 1.5. The curry leaf, I'd say 2 tablespoons. We're gonna, with a clove, 1 tablespoon. Mustard seed, nice tablespoon. Turmeric, we're gonna do 3. 1, 2. 3. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. Chili powder, we're only going to do 1 because we don't want it too hot, because this is something you can add in. Cardamom, a nice tablespoon of that, with the fennel seed. Gonna put 1.5 of this one, and then with the salt we're gonna just do a nice tablespoon. So we've got that here. So now what we've got is we've got all the ingredients that needs to be toasted in here. In here we've got all the powdered ingredients which has already been obviously a lot of them are toasted, turned into a powder already, hence why I'm not going to toast them on the fire. This has been on the fire. We've toasted this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now what we're going to do, you can see it's starting to smoke a little bit. You can see the smoke coming off it. So we're going to let this cool down for about 10 minutes. Now that this has been cooling for 10 minutes, it's cool. So what we're gonna do is pop it in here. You can just smell that aroma from this. Add the rest of the seasoning to it. So that, yeah. This recipe makes 80 grams of curry powder. Guys, that's the curry powder done. So there we go. And when you put it away, put it in an airtight container or jar.